guys, here's a little tip. So on Horsepower Obsessed, there's a couple other websites that sell there these stainless steel lug nut extenders that you can put on so that when you take your wheel off, A, it doesn't just pop off when you do all the lug nuts, but B, it makes it really easy to just slide this off without worrying about scratching your caliper. You're lining these holes up. It makes it so much easier. You literally just take it right off. Boom. That's it. Awesome. I think it was 79 bucks or 99 bucks or whatever it is. Worth every penny if you want to protect your rims. I know I love my rims. I think they look great. I also love my calipers. I got mine in Edge Red. I want to keep them from getting chipped. It's a great way to do that.